So good day everyone, my name is Ashley Jane and in this video I will show you my Python activity. And first I will open the command prompt and I have typed the Python 3 version to check if I have installed the Python. Next is I type the Python and this greater than symbol means I am now inside the Python command line. And here's the factorial result is 720. So this function uses recursion, which means that the function calls itself, and when I run the function with the value of 6, the output became 720. Next, we will be having the code. So here I create a variable called text and assign it the value hello Python. And here we have the hello Python. I am using upper so that the text become uppercase, and here it is the result, and lower, and here is the result. And next I perform the number calculations, which is I assign the value x to 20 and y to 4, and print addition x plus y and division x divided by, and this is the result, addition 24, division 5.0, and here is the if else condition, which is the program checks if the number is even or odd using the modules operator, and since the remainder is 0, the output shows that the number is even. And that would be all. Thank you.